Hello everyone, welcome back to our Surds series. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to multiply surds. The rule is very simple. Multiply the numbers outside the square roots together. Then, then multiply the numbers inside the square roots together. Finally, simplify the answer if possible. Let's look at our first example. Using the rule, under root 2 into under root 8 is equals to 2 into 8 is 16, so under root 16. Now simplify under root 16. Under root 16 equals 4. So the final answer is 4. Now let's try another example. Multiply the coefficients. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Now multiply the surds. So this is under root 15. Now the final answer will be 6 under root 15. So let's solve one more example. 2 under root 6 into 4 under root 6. Now first multiply the coefficients. 2 into 4 is 8. And now multiply the surds. Under root 6 into under root 6. Under root 6 into under root 6 into under root 6. Now under root 6 into 6 is equals to under root 36. Now under root 36 is 6. So this will equals to 6. Now we will multiply this 8 with this 6. 8 into 6. So the final answer will be 8 into 6. So the final answer will be 48. Remember these three steps. Multiply the coefficients, multiply the surds, then simplify and final answer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.